Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Value.Venture. Today, let us understand what an APF number actually means. You'll often see projects advertised with an APF number, but it means something more specific and more limited than most buyers assume. Let's understand it clearly. After completing its project level legal, technical valuation, compliance, and internal review, a lender may assign an APF number or project approval code. This number indicates that the project, or a specified portion of it, has been approved under that lender's internal policy. So the number itself is simply the lender's way of recording that approval in its system. But an APF number should never be read without understanding its scope. The approval may apply only to a specific phase. It may cover only selected towers or blocks. Certain floors, units, commercial portions, or future phases may be excluded. And the approval may also carry a limited validity period. So the project has an APF number does not automatically mean your particular unit is covered. In many cases, the approval is conditional. For instance, the developer may be required to submit a pending statutory approval, no objection certificate, commencement related document, or compliance certificate before subsequent loan disbursements are permitted. Where there is a change in the approved development configuration, the lender may call for a revised sanctioned building plan. Any unauthorized, deviated, excess, or non sanctioned construction may be excluded from the assessable area. Further, the lender may impose a minimum construction stage or physical progress threshold before permitting retail home loan disbursement. Each of these conditions must be satisfied before the approval fully applies. So, a buyer should never rely only on a verbal statement that a project has an APF number. Confirm whether the approval is still valid, confirm whether it actually covers your selected phase, tower, floor, and unit, and find out which lender issued the approval, because that matters. An APF number is generally lender specific. Approval by one bank does not mean every bank has approved the project. It's equally important to understand what an APF number is not. It is not a government certificate, it is not RERA approval, it is not a completion certificate, and it is not a title guarantee. The project may still face construction delays, developer risks, pending conditions, or future changes. The APF number simply helps the lender identify the project in its system and process eligible unit level home loans. The buyer must still qualify financially, and the unit must still satisfy all legal and technical conditions. To summarize, an APF number means that a particular lender has approved a particular project scope subject to its policy and conditions. It should never be treated as an unconditional guarantee. Always check the scope, the validity, the conditions, and the lender. Please subscribe to Value Venture for more informative videos on banking and real estate. Thank you for watching.